News has emerged that the former board chairman of Petrojam got back almost $10 million for trips that were not approved by the ministry. Reimbursement also includes an airline ticket booked after the scheduled date for a meeting. More focus was placed on the issue yesterday during Parliament's Public Administration Appropriations Committee, PAAC. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm has that story.
26 overseas trips over 17 months totaling $10 million. That's the travel summary of the former board chairman of Petrojam from December 23, 2017 to May 10, 2018. Dr. Percival Badu Singh bought all the tickets from his pocket, then Petrojam gave him back the money.
The officer of the PS must have known that the chairman was coming and going?
No, not in this instance, because we would not have received a travel request.
That means there was a clear breach of government policy. Acting Permanent Secretary in the Energy Ministry, Ms. Joaquin Murray, said the Permanent Secretary should have recommended the trip after the minister approved it. So, since the trips were not authorized, how did the former board chair get back the money?
Because, remember, we were otherwise instructed to pay.
You were otherwise instructed by?
By the general manager. He was the person who actually gave the instructions, delivered the invoices, disbursement vouchers, and matters relating to the chairman expenses.
General Manager for Petrojam Floyd Grindley was not at the PAAC meeting on Wednesday. He had to go overseas for a family emergency. There was another interesting piece of information coming out of the PAAC from Acting General Manager for Refinery Optimization at Petrojam, Telroy Morgan. He said Petrojam's annual meeting with underwriters and insurance was pushed back to February 25 to March 1 this year.
The ticket that the chairman had purchased, was for the period the 1st of March to the 6th.
So you would have paid payment for a meeting after an engagement after the meeting?
That's what the information is showing.
Okay.
No, hold on. That can't make sense.
Interestingly though, 2 other staff members attended the same meeting at the set date.
So in other words, everybody knew the meeting was 25th to the 1st.
Absolutely.
So why would someone purchase a ticket from the 1st to the 6th? Maybe a difficult question to answer.
It's an interesting question.
On May 30, the former chairman of Petrojam returned over $16,000 to the state entity for airline tickets since he was unable to make the trips to London and Brazil. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.